Hi, I'm David Rigsby, math professor from John Wood Community College. And today, what we're going to be doing is to measure the speed, the ground speed of our 1939 Allis-Chalmers B tractor. And of course, we have a mower deck on there, so we'd like to know two things. First of all, what is the ground speed of the B in second gear, wide open? And we would also like to know how many acres we could mow per hour with that tractor. So in order to do that, first thing we're going to do is use our 100-foot measuring tape and measure off a course down through here that's about, well, that's exactly 100 feet long. Here are some unit conversion factors that we will need for this problem. First of all, 1 mile equals 5,280 feet. 1 minute equals 60 seconds. 1 hour equals 60 minutes. And if we do the mowing speed test, 1 acre equals 43,560 square feet. To get the problem started, first of all, we will set up the fraction 100 feet, which is the length of the course, over 13.95 seconds, which is the average time for the tractor to complete the 100-foot course. Now we would like for the feet to cancel because we would like to get the tractor speed in miles per hour. So we have to make the feet go away. So using the conversion factor that 1 mile is 5,280 feet, we will set that up so that the feet are on the top and bottom of the first and second fractions, and so they cancel. Now that we have the feet canceled, notice that we also want to get rid of the seconds over here because we want the tractor speed in miles per hour, not miles per second. So we will add our next conversion factor over here, and notice that we set it up so that the seconds here and here can cancel. Now these seconds are gone, but notice now that we have the tractor speed in miles per minute, which is not exactly what we want either. So we're going to need one additional conversion factor to get rid of these minutes and get the time in hours. And here we have it. Notice that the minutes are going to cancel. We're going to have miles on the top here, hours on the bottom here, and so that we're going to have our time in hours, our distance in miles, our speed in miles per hour. Okay, let's review. We started out with 100 feet in 13.95 seconds. We got rid of the feet here and here by putting 1 mile over 5,280 feet. Then we get rid of the seconds here and here, and then we get rid of the minutes here and here. This gives our answer in miles per hour, which is what we want. And now we're ready to do the math. Now, what we're going to do next is we're going to start out with your calculator. I'd like you to punch along with me here. Start out by entering the 100 on your calculator. Now, we're going to divide that by 13.95. Then we're going to multiply by 1. We're going to divide by 5,280. We're going to multiply by 60. we're going to divide by 1, we're going to multiply by 60, divide by 1, and lastly we're going to hit equals. And now when you do, you're going to get a long decimal, but the answer will be in miles per hour. So when you round that to the nearest tenth, you should see our final answer, 4.9 miles per hour, which is the speed of our Allis-Chalmers B tractor in second gear.